Yo YouTube, what is up today? I'm just waking up before 12 a.m. or 12 p.m. to get my morning coffee and my croissant. We're gonna head out the door and hopefully, no, I heard a big storm last night came through. So we're on my new lawn care business and we'll clean up that area. Like we're a landscaping business. Me and Carl run this business. We got the Bobcat T76. Stump grinder, bucket, grapple, a fork,
Hey, Grant!
2 mowers. Yeah? Yeah,
Did you see that huge tree down?
Yeah, I know. I was just talking to YouTube about that. I'm recording this today.
Yeah, we're gonna have to start doing some.
I know. I'm gonna hop in my truck and hook up to my
Can you move your blue truck?
Yeah, park in
Like...
my gray truck spot.
Yeah, your blue truck kind of sucks. It's not good parking.
Are we hauling the skid steer on your trailer or mine?
I'll take it on mine.
Alright, so you're gonna take the skid steer and stuff, and I'll take the mowers.
Yep.
Is there a way I can raise this trailer? Watch out for my truck.
Yeah, I brought you a croissant.
I already got one, bro. I'll have to.
Alright, there you go.
There you go. I just put that croissant down because I felt like it. Hey, bud. Can you get me contractor?
Yeah, here, 1 second. There you go.
Yeah.
Oh, this croissant is busting.
I got my inflatable tires, so my tires are inflate. Well, kind of nice about that. We're gonna load up over on the trailer here. Here. Just hook up. We need the stump grinder and the grapple. Okay.
Can you here, I'll help you lift the stump grinder in a second.
Oh, hey.
Can you move the forks?
Yeah.
But he yank it out.
Hey, push the thing up. Pull the thing up.
So yeah, YouTube, if you're not already, subscribe
Subscribe
and like.
Video. Yeah, do all. And subscribe if you like something. And in the comments, pineapple. Right now, I'm people watching.
Come here and help me lift this here stump grinder.
Oh shoot, what the frick? I think it almost knocked you out.
Dang.
Okay, I'll strap it down. Oh, there we go.
Manual straps.
I'm gonna get the weed whacker. Do you think we need a Honda pusher?
Just take one in case.
Yeah.
You don't need both.
Hey, can you shut the back barn door?
Yep.
Lock it.
What's the combination to the garage pad?
3, 2, 6, 5. 3, 2, 6,
6, 5. Alright. Hey, it's going down.
Okay, I'm just gonna grab this.
Okay, let me climb the ladder really quick.
Grab the oil and grab the chainsaw oil.
Okay.
Grab like 4 gallons.
Alright, I got it. Did you leave the weed whacker running? Alright, let me close this one. Alright, I got the gas for the chainsaw ones.
Put it in your truck.
I'm looking on our radar where we have to go first.
It's about a mile away. And guys, I'm the owner of this business. But when we get back, we have to mow my lawn.
Yeah.
And there's a couple trees I don't like.
Alright.
Alright, I'm gonna go in front and stuff on the trailer.
Oh god. We gotta fix this tree up here.
Shoot. Yeah, let's just go around it. Cut around it first. Like, we'll cut around it right now. Get that. There we go. Follow me. Are you going over it, bro?
I went around it, sorta.
Yeah, okay, good. I didn't go over it.
I went over like the tip of it.
Yeah, I didn't do it. Alright, so, oh shoot, there's another tree blocking the road. I'm just
Alright.
gonna cut across the dirt here. That tree
I'm just
blocking
gonna
the
go
road.
straight.
Okay, I'm gonna find this
Turn
area to park.
here. Oh,
Just park in this back alley area back here.
yeah.
Probably the best spot. I'm gonna park in this spot.
Yeah. I'm gonna park.
I'd say I'll get on the skid steer and run it, and then, yeah. You can mark the stump if you can.
Yeah. I will.
Come on forward. Stop. Okay, stop. Oh, go forward.
What
Go
the
forward.
heck?
Go forward. Must have manual trigger. Okay, I'm gonna disconnect from that. Shut your truck off. I'm not using diesel power. Can you unload my lawnmowers and stuff?
Yeah.
Should be unstrapped.
I'm still eating my croissant, bro.
Yeah, I already ate my croissants. I slurped them down. Way better. Looks like
They
there's
ain't
only like...
liquid.
No, I just slurped them into my mouth. I chopped them up
Oh.
and then I drank my coffee and then I slurped them. What?
Your weed whacker needs a little help. Oh, I think I fixed it. Nope. Yeah, your weed whacker needs a little help. Oh, wait, I think I fixed it. Okay, I fixed it.
Yeah, what was the matter?
It, like, was doing weird stuff with the trailer.
So it's like, oh yeah, it always does that. The guard always gets caught on the trailer in the middle of the street.
Alright, I'm just gonna take one mower, or one commercial mower off, because we shouldn't need the other.
I mean, we probably will, but we'll use that one.
Alright, where am I mowing?
We're not mowing until we get the stump grinded. I'm not when the trees cut up. We're gonna use your trailer, so
Okay.
you can bring your trailer over here and like park it on the side of the road or in the grass area for we can load the trees on the trailer.
Alright.
It's all done. And yes, guys, we're playing on the converted map of Bulkers Valley. This is a in-game mod hub.
Yep, you can get this if you're on console or PC. Console or PC. Doesn't matter.
That's really good. I like it. I love it. Then you can buy the city and like
God, the grapple just flew out the back of my truck. Okay, well, we'll grab that.
Oh. Yeah, we'll probably need the ground. I think that's all the stumps here.
Alright, I'm gonna go grab the mower.
Wait, I'm gonna go. No, remember we were gonna clear the trees first, bro. You gotta get all the sticks and limbs out of the ground first. But
Yeah, true.
Yeah, I'm gonna see if there's any more trees up here that need. Yeah. Bro, looks like there's only one over here. That's all.
Interesting.
Hey, can you go scout the yard real quick, like on foot and stump?
What?
Can you go scout the yard foot to see if there's any stumps left?
Yeah. Doesn't look like there's any over here.
Okay.
I think we're good.
Well, I'm just gonna finish up.
I'm gonna go run and use the bathroom in one of these buildings. I'll be right back.
Alright, guys. Um, Hey, what the heck? There's deer floating in the sky. You get done
It's way
using
better.
you done using the bathroom?
Yep.
Come on. Come on. Now that we got that attached, I'm gonna go pick up the trees.
Look, deer.
I know, I said deer floating. Deer were floating. Deer off here and then we're just gonna go dig and walk. Come on. Hey bro, can you come here and help me cut some of these branches off this tree?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna hop in the skid steer and I'm just going you to load them up in there in my grapple.
Alright, go ahead.
Bro, we should have our construction uniforms on, but who cares?
Yeah, I know.
And it's at home and I don't feel like doing that. Where's the trailer at? We have a lot more city jobs than we do. Oh, I found a stump.
Where?
Found a stump. It's over there. It's over, not this trailer. It's over there on the other side.
Oh yeah.
There's a stump there. I'll have to go back and get that one. I'll go get that tree cut up. Get that tree cut up though first.
Oh.
Let me get this tree cut up. This hurts.
I'm gonna go grab some Gatorade from the cooler on the back of your truck. You want any?
Yeah, grab me a red Gatorade. And, can you run the skid steer and go, like, kill up those logs over there on the other side?
The what?
The skid steer, like with the log grapple. And grab some trees over there.
No, you do it because
Skid steer.
I don't have my license.
I don't care, you can use mine.
What?
Just say your name is as my name, and then, yeah. Bro,
That's
why
not
does
how stuff works.
that's how stuff works in 2022, bro? Yeah, they
Plus, I
really.
gotta mow some other areas.
Yeah, go mow the other areas. Like, take your. No, you can't take my trailer anymore. You can't take your trailer. Actually, you can't mow this big area yet because there's still trees in the ground. So. Are you just driving your mower over here to pick me up and give me my Gatorade? You can't mow this yet. What is he doing? Did you just drive this over here to give me my Gatorade?
Yeah, and I gotta mow lawn.
No, you can't mow it yet because they don't have all the trees up there. Yeah.
I meant, well, yeah, I meant not here.
Thank you.
Yep. Mm. Mm.
What lawn does it need to be mowed?
Over here.
Okay. Get that done, and then you can mow this lawn over here.
Okay, I'm done.
Whose house is it? You can go mow your house if you want. I don't care. We're literally right next to our house.
Hey, YouTube, I think we're gonna end it here for today.
We're gonna do part 2
With this
tomorrow.
cleanup.
I mean, me and Ranger will fix it. I mean, I'll finish it today, and then we'll do a part 2 tomorrow.
We'll post part 2
Tomorrow.
soon. Alright, see you, YouTube.